Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics Bios on YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the topic how to draw a group mean bar with standard error graph. This is a group bar with standard error graph. This is a group 3 group I take one the control and the chemical fertilizer and organic manure. The different days developed the plant height. This is our graph. Now the graph how to draw a go to the table menu. This is a booklet. I select the XH2 column. One is the experiment, another one the different days for the plant height. The replication 3 times I take it. So now the select the total table and go to the plot menu and go to the characterological and go to grouped mean bar index menu, then click it. Now open the new dialog. Now the select the group column, go to the arrow button, select the experiment AX and next one group, select BX days. Then data column is a C, data column is Y variable. So select this one the Y variable. This is a auto preview menu. This click the preview for our graph. This is the graph theme mean bar with standard error. Then click the OK button. Now our graph is ready. Now how to design our different this graph. This menu is deleted. The width increase for the graph. Then go to the graphics menu, then fit page to layer. The outline, fill the graph extra part. Then no change the menu, then click the OK. The graph is fixed. Then change to our graph font. Click double click. The open the new dialog. Tick labels, then go to format, change the font menu. I am use Time Roman. Then size 14. Click the bold, then apply. Now see that our font change. Then next left y axis, go to the font, the same left x tick label and format, go to the font menu, change the font, Time Roman 14, click bold, then change the XH font style, then click OK. Then range, double click, change the plant centimeter height. So centimeter, select the centimeter, go to the font, Time Roman and 14, then bold, then click OK. Now they add the experiment title, then click that text tool, then click this part, experiment. Experiments, select the experiment, go to the change font, Time Roman and the 14, the bold, just the movement the center of the part. Now change the color for the graph, just double click, then go to the border color, select the one by one the subgroup within the group. It is setting the same, so no changes. Then click the color bar, 4 color line, click the menu, many colors available, you choose which one color the select. I is the select the color candy, then apply. The color is changed. If you like the any color, change that, click separate the color. You like the separate color, change the bar corner button, click the corner button, change the color. Next one and another one. Then okay, click apply. The color is changed. If like any another color, change that one. Then apply it. Then next one, the simple. In the center of the simple, change any one the simple, click the button, the different symbol available, select the which symbol. Use the star, click the change the symbol, or any other. The oval, click the change, apply. The size increased, the size menu, the increase 12, then apply increase the size, reduce the size, then click the 12, reduce the size. The normal is a 5, so apply the 5. Then the same simple color, change the simple color menu, any color if you like, change that one. Select the different colors. The menu for the customized simple, the geometric is a simple, the more the simple available. The simple color change. The next, single alphabetic unique color. Change the font, bold, select the letter, see this part. Any color if you change the number, numeric, change that one. Any letters. The next one, incremental alphabetics. The small d, the capital D, any color you change that one. And another one, row number numeric, same this also, the row numbers, and they use the default symbol, the already this new geometric, the circles. If you like not like the simple, then click the change to 0, then apply. The symbol is not visible. Then the pattern is also color changes. If you like any color changes, same the method before the view the group menu. The color border, the pattern also same, but this is a different style designing. If you like any other 2 color or 1 colors, any colors you change, select the 2 colors, click that one, apply. Our graph is a 2 color views. If you need dark color, change the dark color. View, See that one, the different colors. If you like blacks, or rose color, any color you like, change that one. I use red color. And the pattern colors, the pattern, if you like the any patterns style, they click the patterns, then apply the pattern. If you pattern colors, select any pattern colors, our pattern color is applied. Now see the pattern color changed. Then the width, increase the pattern size to, see the turn, sorry, 1. You like any pattern colors and width, change. Next the border style, solid or dot, anyone the like, change bar border. Then next with border width, see that one part, the increase the border width. 1.5, you choose the 1 the best. And the next on the spacing, the space for the bar graph, the gap between the subgroup, the increase the space, the between group increase the space, the increase the 60, then apply. This normal is 20, so I select the 20. At the gap within the subgroup, the normal 20, the 40, sometimes use the negative 50, that one you like. The 20 is a normal. So the next one is a panel, the no changes for the next one, the box. If you like the design for the error, you like the mean or medium, the medium, they change the mean, they see that one, this part. Under standard error, the mean is normal. Then any the other the type, select the bar. I'm using data overlapping only, so select the data overlapping. The bar percentage, login name, units or days. No, the click one. The next one, the our use the standard error, so select the standard error. You like the standard deviation, change the part of the standard deviation. I will also select the standard error, so selected standard error. Next one, the size, increase the size. If like the any light, change the stick bar on error, increase the size. The next one, the both side, if you like the both side or single side, directions, see that one. The both side is selected. The next one, the extra menu, the distribution next one, the size, different style for the gamma, see that one, with the center, maximum auto, any style available, land space, but the distribution menu is none, so click the none. The next one, the line, the error bar line, increase the medium line, the mean lines if you like the center part of this graph. If you not like then click the medium line, then apply this non-view for the medium line, the error bar line 1.5. if you like the any color changes, this select the auto color. If you like the red color, change the red color, they very attractive. Or like the any light colors, change the light colors menu. I select the auto. The next ones, the medium lines, the same the medium line. If you like this transparency, the graph is changed. You like the any transparency, very darkness or very dullness, you select that one. The next one, connecting lines, the connecting lines for the between group or within group, connecting the mean value, median value, the data points. They click the checkbox, the apply. The connecting line changed, the data points or connecting percentages not selected, so not apply. Then next one, the data dots or bar within bar. If like the already non like the symbols, so this part is not working, sorry, this part is not useful. The next one, the simple, the same part, this all the pattern. The pattern part, this is simple, the change the before already viewed. The next one, the label enable the table values, the enable the label, apply this the label. If the change the font, click the font menu and the time Romans 14, then apply. This is a 0 after the 5 digit available. If you want a 2 digit, the numeric display font, select the menu, the 4, the apply the 4. Then you want like to 2, just edit, change the value 2, then apply the 2 value. If the position change to the position center, inside of the end and the inside of the base. Next one, the inside of the outside of the end. Now our graph is ready. Then outlines the same, the outer the border, the color change, use the auto, then click the OK. Now our graph is ready. This graph export to JPG format. Go to the file menu, the export graph, open new dialog. The change name menu, enter the graph name, mean bar with standard error. The path location change to select on the desktop. The image type JPG, select the image type, then click the OK button. Now our graph export, go to desktop menu, view our graph. Thank you for watching this video. Any doubt, leave the comments, I will help you. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.